Face Builder lets you reconstruct a human head from only a couple of photos. Download and install the add-on, check the license agreement box and install the core. In the option panel, open the Face Builder tab and click on Create New Head. Then click on Add Images. This gives you a camera for each image and a button for each camera. Click on Align Face to automatically match the object to the image. Do this for each camera angle. To fine-tune, add pins manually by clicking on the model. Then drag a pin to the corresponding place on the photo. Repeat this until the head model is perfect. When you're done, click on Exit Pin Mode and Create Texture, then click OK.